Ayan. May parcel galing kay Ate Ila. And libre niya to sa akin. From... Okay. Basta yan. We're gonna open this. Ah! Matigas! Can't wait for you though to open me up. Ay! Yung address. Kailangan itanong. Ano yan? Ba't nakaganyan ka? So, ah! Charan! Charan! So, it is blush on. So, yeah. Okay. Ayaw niya mag-focus, di ba? So, it's blush on. Shade niya is macaron. So, let's open this one. So, yan. Na-open ko na siya. Look at that. So cute. And then, ito yung salamin niya. Meron dito natatanggal. Para malinaw. Ayan. Ayan. This is the shade macaron. So cute. Pinky, pinky.